Welcome to BLVD.com. I am Dan the Wheelchair Van Man, and today we're going to take a look at a GMC Yukon and how we can load a power wheelchair here. This example is a Pride Q6 Edge into the back of this vehicle. Now the lift that we are using for this is the Bruno VSL 6000, also known as the Curbsider. Part of this application did require for us to remove some components at the third row of the vehicle. Starting off with the trim piece, you can see here, in order to get the additional height through this vehicle's door opening, which is only 33 inches, we need to remove that and keep that out. Additionally, the storage compartment behind the third row seat has been removed. However, this application did also call for those third row seats to be removed, but we did not have to remove that on this application. Pretty nice. Now, if you have a Yukon XL or a Suburban, the longer wheelbase, the configuration back here is going to be a little bit different because you have an additional 18 inches of storage, which is going to kind of change up some of the requirements needed on your application. This particular lift has a 400-pound lifting capacity. The weight of this chair is roughly 300 pounds, but we did give it a little bit extra just so it's not always operating at max load. What you'll notice is this is loading in. This is going to be very close to the vehicle's rear bumper. So as you're getting the chair elevated into the air, you want to maintain control of that, as we do not want that swinging into the back of the vehicle. Now Bruno also has a VSL 6900, which gives us a power telescoping arm. That is additional cost. However, for this application, we were able to get this install complete using the VSL 6000, not requiring the additional actuator and step in the loading and unloading. So this is going to raise it up into the air. We're going to rotate this chair, then swing it on in to the vehicle. Now this is a tight application. Minivans are really recommended to have maximum capability and space. However, if you do have a full-size SUV, here we're just showing that it still can be done. Now here's a good angle of the docking device. These clips are going to clip on to the original spots that the chair is designated for lifting, and it's just a simple carabiner clip style. There's going to be 4 points on this system. You're going to have 2 on the front on each side, then there's going to be 2 on the rear to lift this up from the center. If you're looking to confirm your application, in the description I have a link to BLVD.com where you can locate a dealer near you. Give them a call, give them the vehicle year, make, and model that you're looking to adapt, and also confirm the make and model of your mobility device, and they can confirm your application, provide you a quote within a matter of minutes. Questions, comments, leave them below.